What's up, K85? It's me, and I am at another place named Champy's. It's a fried chicken place. I think it's only in Huntsville. So yeah. This is like day 2 in Huntsville, Alabama. So yeah. We're gonna see how good their fried chicken really is. Look at the menu. Champy's world famous fried chicken. So blues, brews, and bird.
I am. I told you I was gonna.
This is crazy.
Do the.
We'll do the same thing.
Go Atlanta Braves. Pittsburgh Pirates.
We have the trash
Go
pandas.
Atlanta Braves.
Yeah.
Counting on you.
We're trash
We're trash pandas. Trash pandas are raccoons. That's what they're called, trash pandas, because they do.
Go Atlanta Braves. I'm counting on you. First, we're gonna try out the French fries.
So Linda Gunter, who is going to be doing a new program with us on Sunday nights. Her and
Good
her
French fries.
husband founded Love And they go, they've been back and
Come
forth
on,
a
Atlanta.
ton of
You got a
times.
chance.
And
I'm counting on you.
Adopted kids from Haiti. So she sent me
I'm gonna try out some coleslaw.
Pictures of some of the kids. Yeah, I got that Tuesday, actually.
Some good coleslaw.
Yeah.
All right, now we're gonna try out their sauce.
Those are huge. I've never had the tenders before.
Tastes pretty good. Time
Me too.
to
Me too.
try out the chicken strips, chicken tenders.
But yeah, but I'm not
We're good.
huge.
So when it,
Go on, Atlanta.
and I
Tell
was
me in the
like,
comments,
okay, that's the
who's your
size
favorite
of this
baseball
staff.
team? I would like to know, and personally myself. My favorite's the Atlanta Braves. So like, subscribe, enjoy my videos, share it with a friend. And I'll see y'all later. I hope you win this for me, Atlanta Braves. I'm counting on y'all. Bye.